Take a ride in the 2007 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, wheel covers, fourth passenger door, front disc rear drum brakes, steel wheels, FWD, tires front all season, tires rear all season, variable speed, intermittent wipers, keyless entry. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback